Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I shape these chicken pies so you don't miss out. I added my blended chicken, I added salt, oregano, powdered onion, pepper, powdered garlic, onion, bay leaves, rosemary. I'll give it a good mix. And I would like to cook on a low heat so it can bring out its sauce. So here it has brought out its sauce. I gave it a good stir. I add my sage herb, carrot, potatoes, and I will mix and combine together properly. So I added 2 level spoons of flour just to thicken the filling. So I'll cover and cook it on low heat for 10 minutes. So here it is, looking moist and ready, set aside while I go to the dough. So here I have 1500 grams of sieved flour, salt, 3 large eggs, 500 grams of margarine, vegetable oil, cold water. So I will do the working and I'll continue this process until all ingredients is properly mixed and form a ball. All my returning subscribers, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for always supporting, thank you for always liking, thank you for always commenting, thank you for always sharing. May the good Lord bless you all. So now it's ready. I'll set aside while I do the cutting and the rolling. So I'm just going to cut it to this very shape that you are seeing right here. Feel free to cut it to any shape that you desire. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of the family. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Share this video for me, guys. Check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. I also have other pies recipe that you can also watch. So I'm just going to continue until my pan is filled. I preheated my oven. Depending on your oven, I preheated my oven to 130 to 1 hour. So I wash my dough with milk and egg. Looking ready. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.